Mama wakwaba wa frame Adwoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo nyame ya adoma echina Thursday demonstration bi bekoso ewo omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ne office ewo cantonment. Na ebusuafo sa demonstration nipa odi anim eye Ernest Owusubempa aboa papon no di adim. Omo ya support ne say omo ya support ina say what want ase say government official one na ye hwanya because UK hold no omo dey aba people sim so oman bia wo behu government official one no mo atwa sika to some no mount abo purpose ne abrese kind do beje na IMF no mo atwa so tiambo echi na omo e walk straight to oman penda da John Dramani Mahama ne office where the people come no so ombe yina no anasa on special prosecutor ho no me investigation won so no wi ai ade no government official one ode to no so Airbus nsem na yo na anasa nyo na me aso nya yen fine na was a demonstration imu and NDC force am watch na no be share le me be se be be share be me so be share ejako no kan also NDC force am share NPP for e wo cantonment wo dia me ya do me china de bia na aye Black Thursday because in that day na so what they call ya sem kuto akra na me hu so man penda da John Dramani Mahama ne office ani mo no se ho ye fubo se ho ye forest to intervention na e was sense me mu e na Owusubempa na pay ordinance ma beto jo tres NDC fo ne de o kenken hu bi no mo ye o mutumi ye foko mba ya da hu ba konto kana mo ya mo mema o mutumi ye hwe na was sense me mu e na Owusubempa e trese ubi a ye Ghana ni bia o feel say eye government official one no opese ye hu nipa kro no be support yo mo ya me ya do me tra no mo ye demonstration na wi bebrebe se wa so be kwa yesa wala mo ye demonstration no na Owusubempa e kire se NDC fo ni bi empanifo ni bi e hye echi e frefre no se demonstration do onye omo hye kutupa so onye na wampende da John Dramani Mahama na so ye den kro no sem ne do so too much adana akobo sa kro no no omo ye demonstration no omo fa pepa ne koma no onko yina no ne ho nte na NDC fo hu say omo candidate no omo represent no ye clean ayasa dia ge ne ka kono kra no wan hwa kono sem kono so wode to wampende da John Dramani Mahama ne so 2024 na akoye ho akoye te say papa no asem ne hwa akoye nsem bi o nte wampende da kra no NDC fo mpanifo ni bi e hye NPP fo e chi so omo pia na yam ya dom e chi na ombe yina no yentie ensem a Owusubempa e de esujwa
to interrogate this matter and get it to the bottom of it. And nothing I can say, Sanyoma we are coso, and yes, oh, and now we are doing politics with no. This is a man who's going around accusing MPP and the whole government in power. Say we are corrupt. Ghana for man a chance. Meanwhile, he was given an opportunity. President Mills said, may so rest in peace. Onye you or setting up investigating against the former president on this whole Airbus.
Yeah.
And Kofona mu ya no. And Kofona omu ye omu se omedi eche one brigadier ibi otwa nanu mo onsedo mysteriously. Atamils otwa nanu mo onsedo mysteriously. Sa committee no ba kuba be national security under Mahama.
Okay.
E NDC ye. Sa committee no report to na wan. Ya anti wasem be sin enti Airbus asem de oboso na Mahama wa body cruise. The Sun newspaper in Britain had over to front page. Who copy aka for viewers.
I'm here say me ho.
Front page newspaper. Woka say what the dream. Airbus no wo mu a president. Ya do any other no go see the Sun newspaper. It means say nyoma bia di adanse say una wo di animu. Enti Dauro yensema ye kanyina ye so simple. Said the nyoma ekono ye de ya ready to make sure said yes say ye na ye magana fo nyina hu ye twam say John Mahama is not a character Ghana for bit matrasi when it comes to corruption.
And you for mo hwe nim say asante patro me the Sun newspaper no e dey asend obetimi dey atoso mo hwe numbers do nipa do se na mo hwe nimu na hwan ne betimi ababi
ya frefre the ordinary Ghanaian people omuji edia omuji asema ye kan na ebe shock you say Ghana for afre from all walks of life media kwanya ida Ghana for nyina ase se Ghana for eji say jumedi aye di pass so my ready say they will go and work with us. I am so surprised. I will be surprised say over 100,000 people will move on that day.
I see.
I'm telling you, me say I am shocked. Market women, interest groups, pressure groups are almost free. They want to join us to go and then pick it at the OSP and the former president's officer. Me say they will make nipa domo afreme.
Okay, so the Sun, and the Sun.
That's the Sun newspaper. Oh, and then I can read it for your viewers.
Na odi abenti.
Money pushing cost kakra na headlines 50 million military deal. Corey Star and the president and 5 million pounds Ghana plane scandal.
Now the former president Funi Atum.
And you know the Sun newspaper is one of the biggest newspapers. It's a daily graphic. UK. Daily graphic. And ordinary beto anymore. I say Jomama could dream. Inti Ghana for enye buapa ebi say asore say ye ko Jomama fie and ye ko office say ye ko akoye you ye de petition command say ya bonidi Airbus all availing itself for investigation and Saponie Garima Humfi corruption Jomama corruption is how the opa gugu corruption idea be by Jomama
sao
opa go
and the menya mame
corruption
mame hwe
opa gugu se me boa
mame hwe
mu de gugu se me asema me kan me boa wo de enti ade a issue very 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 important international scandal obi anim say sa scandal we no Airbus scandal o de corruption by any corruption under mama nye na nyeri anya jo mama dina ba wa me boa o de fa cho ayi for se me boa o camera no we any all corruption o ti ase enti ade a dawuru a very 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 serious matter. Until we are press conference.
Okay.
Na ye de ensemu a ye be nyina ya wada nyina tudwa. Ukwada de boaboa ho ni atwen for the D-Day. But ochina ene about 2 p.m. and 1 p.m. International Press Center. We are holding a press conference. Na ye ne ye nkrofo nyina kasa nationwide. Now for yama media the outline program for the day going forward.
Okay. And say more year way under fixing the country movement. What is the level of participation between the party? The NPP for show interest in this because NPP near but you say NPP ni NDC na kwa kansi NPP for Emma Omutie
Obia person be joining. And there any problem. Obia including NDC.
Are you calling on them somewhere?
Including NDC. Omunyina me calling on them to join. Including NDC for omu afremi bebre omu say John Mahama omu jakra said adinti no ntimi emma me yi no ho ano NDC for and I'm shocked.
Na no say papa panimu ba ko a na woni ne kasa yi.
Yes.
Dan me hu dwirim.
Yes, say ukra would ena bi o me kan bi omu fu say I am PM omu party for na kasa mpeni for chocho. They are all in support of this thing and they know say John Mahama is not a credible person. And you know NDC MPP the Ghanaian people you know obi amra we are going out there to make sure say corruption there a very important Airbus matter. This one posterity will judge all of us. Say I need the right thing to make sure say Ghana will become a better place. Here is a man I know when you could do so person sabijina say Mampenini and Trabaman. Biggest corruption scandal in the world. Where we Watergate scandal and win all a hanging on his neck. And he's walking about to Ghana and so mama president Nigeria Goodluck Jonathan the president who obey as the vice president also what